Hey, what's up, guys? Making a quick how-to video on this Lexus. We gotta we gotta keep up with our videos and showing you content. You know, I had to bring you in front of my nice blue box. I love it. Working on the 2011 Lexus IS250. So I started already. I kind of cheated. I'm on the last side. But I'll take everything apart again and show you what to do, what's the proper way of doing your brakes and doing it right. Take a look at the car. Look at this beautiful car. I'm gonna put it back together and then show you quickly what has to be done. So far what I've done was I removed the bracket and the caliper itself. This is called the caliper. So if you guys don't know, this is a caliper. So it goes in like this. Obviously you can see I pulled the brake pads out already, but I'll slide one in. See how quick how to see, you just slide right in, simple, easy. 2 14s here, 1 2 size 14. You remove that one, this one, and you have the caliper free. So now I always stay handy with my little hooks. I love them. Hook it here, hang it up top. Now then, you know, you slide your brake pads off. I have new hardware. I'm gonna be replacing hardware kit front me here, top and bottom. Now to remove this, to get this rotor on, you have to remove your bracket. Now, if you look back here, sneak back here, there's 217. 1, 2. So once you remove the caliper, these two.
So after you hit these two bolts, the caliper will come off fully.
You want me to show you?
And then you could put the new rotor on. Yeah,
this whole caliper bracket slides right off. Now once you got it right off, you notice, you know, the rotor's already free. So what's holding it in place is the bracket.
Nice.
So now, I had the caliper tool here to press the piston back in, but I found it harder sometimes to use that because when you have the damaged caliper, it breaks your tool. So I got tired of buying them. So we're back here pushing this piston back in. So I find it always, be careful, don't bend your backing shield, just be gentle. Place it there. So you put your brake pad there. That's what I use. I always use an old brake pad. And I go right to the back of it and just slowly, it's no race, you know, just slowly depress it in. And if, like I said a couple seconds ago, if it don't go in, that means you have a bad caliper or possibly a bad brake line itself.
Where's the brake line itself that goes bad?
So these lines, a lot of people will replace the caliper, and it's not the caliper. It is not the caliper, it's the wire. It's the line here. It breaks inside. This is a braided line, and it collapses, and then now the caliper gets stuck.
Do you think the caliper goes bad first, or the line goes bad first, usually?
Usually the line, a lot of experiences, just the line.
Just the line, and the caliper is actually good?
Yeah.
Wow.
Just the line. So when I have problems that don't go in, I just remove the line, and if I could press it in easy without the line, that means the line is messed up.
Oh, okay. So if it doesn't compress, you take it apart, recompress the caliper to see if it compresses and works. And if it does work, then you know the line's bad.
But if it doesn't work and it's still stuck, then you need a new caliper.
Then you need a new caliper.
Brake shoes, brake pads, kind of just slide them on, put them on. Simple. Do the same in the rear. Right on.
Oh, slid right in.
Like butter. Get your stuff, nice and neat. Oh, I forgot to tell you as well. A lot of people don't do this, and it's very, very, very important. You see these pins here? You see that? It wasn't like that before. I had to remove both of them. and you grease them. You always gotta grease them, because that's what's making it slide back and forth, the caliper, and it adjusts your brake force, and it wears out evenly. And now if this is not greased, these are gonna wear uneven, and you're either gonna drag one side too far, or you start having problems. Then you need to replace rotor. So now to put everything back on, slide it, pretty simple. And then quick and simple. Ta-da! And it's done, fellas. Now you could tell your friends that, tell everyone that you did it yourself.
Hey!
And
You can start taking brake jobs in.
Yeah, you just learned. It's pretty simple. There's no way you can mess this up. Pretty much, it's 4 bolts. So make sure, guys. I don't know what corner, this corner, that corner. Like, share, subscribe. See you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.